So here we go, guys. This is our new initiative. It's something really, really cool. It's called Sergeant Square. This is an 85 Chevy Squarebody. And what are we doing with it? We're teaming up with Mission 22. And we're gonna build the ultimate Squarebody, take it to SEMA, take it to Barrett-Jackson, sell it, give the profits to Mission 22 so they can support the military charities. We have Dewey, he's the man, he's gonna be building the truck. You might know him from the Jameson truck that's in the current issue of Street Trucks. Multiple different trucks he's built. He's gonna take on this project. So you're gonna see it throughout the video series, all of the magazines, C10 Builder's Guide, and it's gonna be in our booth at SEMA 2023. Here's the rendering. It's gonna be amazing. We'll see you guys in a couple more episodes.